We're here at Oshkosh. It's been an incredible reunion and seen so many people this week. This is my first Oshkosh. This will be my fourth Oshkosh flying a Vans RV-10 in.
Hi, I'm Margaret Viola. I am chairwoman of the Women Venture program, and I'm also a private pilot, English land glider, endorsement. And professionally, I work as an engineer in the defense department.
Hi, I'm Amy. I've been flying for 4 years and I'm training to be a CFI.
I am a private pilot working on my instrument rating and going to Bowling Green State University in Ohio.
I'm a recently retired UPS Airbus captain who was there 32 years.
I am an A&P and a light sport flight instructor.
I'm a UPS 747 captain. I fly jets for a living and I fly little airplanes for fun.
Hi, I'm Julia Harrington. I'm a corporate captain. I fly 2 citations for work, and I also just bought this gorgeous decathlon and started flying aerobatics. I recently won my first aerobatic competition.
I've been a pilot for 26 years and a controller for 21.
I'm a pilot with UPS. I fly the 767 and 757 internationally, and once in a while Amy lets me fly her personal airplane.
I'm a pilot. I've been a pilot for about 20 years.
And I just got my license at age 50.
I have 50 student pilot flight hours and I'm on my way to my long solo cross country.
My daughter is age 17, just got her private pilot license too.
I hope to get my private pilot one day and to be able to go and fly my own airplane.
I love inspiring the next generation of aviators through the Young Eagles program.
I have been a private pilot since I was 18. I was inspired by my dad and my grandfather to get my pilot's license, and I love it.
I got into aviation because it's in my blood. My parents both fly, and it runs in my family on my mom's side.
Hi everyone, my name is Laura, also known as the Flying Princess. I'm currently a flight attendant at Delta Airlines. I just received my commercial rating, so I do plan on moving to the cockpit. I also cannot wait to join the Air Force so I can be a fighter jet pilot. And I'm the author of a children's book, You Look Like Me. Super excited to be here for the first time at Oshkosh and just so grateful.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Janelle O'Brien. I'm an aircraft commander on the KC-135.
I am Senior Airman Tara Tannehill with the 911th Air Wing.
Hello, I'm Tech Sergeant Hossie. I'm one of the recruiters for the Oklahoma Air National Guard.
I'm also in the military. I'm a mechanic on the F-16.
I have about over 4,000 hours flying that beautiful tanker.
My primary job was security forces for 10 years.
I am a crew chief on the C-17 aircraft. Basically, I'm the mechanic of the plane. I keep it running, and I am in the back shop HSC, where we pretty much take the plane apart, inspect it, repair it, and put it back together and give it to the pilots.
Hi, I'm Jenny Kanaikes. I fly for the Commemorative Air Force, flying C-53s, C-47s, DC-3s, and I am a C-130 pilot for the California Air National Guard. I've been flying for about 10 years now, and this will be my first time flying in the Oshkosh Air Show.
I'm Chelsea Smith. I'm an A&P mechanic and a pilot. I own a little Cessna 150 that I fly all over the country for time building and to work on my ratings. This week I got to watch the P-40 that I worked on earlier this year in Addison fly in the show. I just finished my instrument rating and I'm doing my commercial check ride in a few weeks. I'm looking forward to next year already. It's only 1 year away.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a Cherokee 6 driver. I bought my plane February 2020 as a student with 20 hours. And got my license in July of 2020. Started off in a decathlon and got my endorsement actually for tailwheel in a Stearman. It's one of my favorite airplanes. It's like flying a motorcycle in the sky. The freedom and the air in your face is unbelievable.
I have Cessna 180, float plane, ball, Mustang, J4.
Hi, I'm Wilhelmina. I'm from Texas. I'm building a RV-14 with my husband.
We're building an airplane.
We're building an RV-10.
This is my first time actually taking workshops. It's really getting me inspired with the plane, seeing everything and meeting all the ladies that are involved as well.
Hi, I'm Jenny Hickman of Advanced Flight Systems. 20 some odd years ago, I helped found a company that brings affordable avionics to the experimental aircraft market.
What's up, everybody? My name is Amy Shimalecki. I'm with the Red Bull Air Force. I have about 20,000 skydives. I've been skydiving for 27 years. I love world records. I have about 50. I have 4 world titles and 10 national titles. I absolutely love Oshkosh. I'm so happy to be here.
Aviation has become a passion for me later in life, and I feel blessed that I'm able to be here at Oshkosh.
I love aviation.
Never stop chasing your dreams and no is not an option.
I hope everybody enjoys Oshkosh. Thanks for watching.
I'm super excited to be here at Oshkosh with the plane lady. Hello, is she not our celebrity friend?